Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to sign up and sign in to a new resource we're going to be using in class. Go up into your browser and type in www.boomlearning.com and then hit enter. It will take you to this page and you're going to click in as a student because you're a student. Then click sign in with Boom. From here, you're going to use the username I'm going to provide you on Blackboard. So in this case, I'm going to use the username from my Block 8 biology class as an example. So the username I used for Block 8 was EligiB8. Then I'm going to hit next. I will also provide you with a password on Blackboard. You're going to type in the password that corresponds to your class. And then click sign in. At this point, you got to create yourself a new student account. And this you will only have to do the first time we use Boom cards. So click new student. And it says nickname here, but I don't want your nickname. I want your real name so I can give you credit for doing this assignment. So I'm going to put my real name in there. Oops, not with the cap locks on. There we go. And I'm going to create a password for myself, and in this case, I'm going to make my password biology. Okay, so here I am. At this point, I can click on myself. It's going to ask for my password again, so I will type it in. No thanks. All right, so here's my face, and if you scroll down, you will see the Boom cards that you were assigned in class. So you're going to click on Cell Transport Boom cards. You're going to answer the questions. Now some of these, if there is multiple correct answers, like this one, you have to circle all of them and then click Submit. If there is only one correct answer, then you will only have to pick one answer and it will automatically tell you if you're correct or incorrect. At the end, it will send me a report that will let me know how you did. Good luck, guys. Bye.